What's up, everybody? Just wanted to make a video showing my method of repairing these Chevy GMT 800 door handles. As you can see, this one was kind of repaired with some Gorilla Glue. Previous owner, did a little makeshift repair job. This one's actually not as bad as some of the other ones, but you can tell it's flopping, making some noise, kind of aggravating going down the road. My ears probably busted here, but yeah, this is how I like to repair them. So now we've got the door panel off. You can kind of see a little bit better what the issue was. The tab right here likes to snap this part of the handle. That's where I like to use this JB water weld. It's like a Play-Doh that turns into like a plastic in about 25 to 30 minutes. Also, the screw snapped off of the bottom of the window switch housing. I'm not sure, maybe somebody tried to take the door panel off and thought this had to come off with it, but that's not the case. But yeah, I'll show you my little method of repairing it, and maybe it'll work for you. So the next thing you're going to want to do is pop the window switch out of the window trim. There's 6 little tabs. Use a flathead screwdriver to remove. It just pops right out. You're going to want to take your new window switch housing. These are about 15 bucks online. Find them on eBay. Snaps right in, just like that. And you've got a new spot to screw into, and you've got a new tab. Sometimes this part breaks as well. I've seen, some people repair these. Obviously, the previous owner of mine used Gorilla Glue. I recommend just buying a new window trim. So for the next part of the repair, you're going to want to get some of this JB Weld water weld. Get you a little bit of it, knead it up until it's a uniform color, and then you're going to want to redo that plastic part. I'm going to have to do a little bit of that off camera, so I'll see you guys in just a second. All right, once you've got that molded, you're ready to pop the bezel back on the handle and then put everything back together. Just a little trick, you can sand this stuff down. You can even, use like a knife or a chisel or something to, carve the opening out. But it might take a few test runs, popping this guy in there until it fits. But, just work with it. It's not too bad. All right, so now we've got it back together. It's nice and solid, no more problems, no more rattling going down the road. So this is the part number for the bezel that I used. I recommend going with the Brock's over the cheaper eBay ones you find. It's just about as close to OEM as you're gonna get. I found with the eBay ones, you have to do a little bit of trimming and just a little bit more work to get it to pop in. But yeah, if you found this video helpful, if you could leave a like, maybe comment, subscribe to the channel. Have a good one.